What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl Shorty B, back with another video. And today we're going to be making my special sauce. Yes, my special sauce. We've already cleaned the wings and seasoned them. I clean and season my wings once I bring them home from the grocery store. So when they unthaw, they're already marinated in the seasonings and they're clean. So what you're going to need is 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Well, now do a half a tablespoon of black pepper and a half a tablespoon of red pepper. If you are cooking for a bigger family, then just double the seasoning. And if you're cooking for a bigger family, triple the seasoning. And so with that being said, let's start cooking. Okay guys, we're going to start off making our duck sauce. And the first thing that you're going to need is 1 cup of sugar, a half a cup of honey. This is 100% pure honey, but any honey will do. We have 1 cup of water. We have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We have 1 tablespoon of, 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar. And then we're going to stir that. Gonna stir it. Mix all the honey, the sugar, the vinegar, the water, all together. We have some more honey. I have an electric stove, so I have it on medium, number 7. So on your regular stove, just put it on medium heat. And we're going to keep stirring it to mix all the sugar and the honey together. You know, honey and sugar is delicious together anyway. Then you got the vinegar and the lemon juice to give it that little sour taste. So you're just going to keep stirring it so it all can combine together. This is, I'm telling you, this is so delicious on wings. Add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1/4 teaspoon of water. Now that we've taken the sauce off of the stove, off the fire, we're going to stir it and let it sit. And now we're going to add our last ingredient, and that's hot sauce. And you're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of hot sauce at the end. and you're going to stir it. It's not going to be that hot. It's just the hot sauce give it that you're eating, that you're going to make. And now we're going to pour the sauce all over the wings. I only cooked 6 wings because I'm going to do another video with another special sauce that I have. And we're going to put the top on the wings, and we're going to shake them with that sauce. Get that sauce all on them. And now we're going to try our duck sauce wings. Yes, my special sauce. We're going to try it. Oh my God. It looks so good. Oh my God, let's try. It's got that crispy shell on it from the extra virgin olive oil. Because remember, you're not cooking them with any flour. Oh my God, look at that sauce. Then you have extra sauce. You can put more on there. Look at that. If you try this sauce, please leave a comment and a picture of your wings. So I'm Shorty B. This is Cooking with Shorty B. Please like and subscribe to my channel because I will be making another video that you can check out with another special sauce.